Welcome to the Statue of Unity. Hello, today is a very special log. In December, while I was traveling to Jaisalmer, I visited the Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is created in the honor of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Known as the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was instrumental in India's independence struggle and then for the integration of over 500 princely states into the Union of India. Kutch to Kohima, Kargil or Kanyakumari. If we can travel freely today across the beautiful and bountiful lands of India, it is because of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Statue of Unity is now officially the world's tallest statue. It costed nearly 3,000 crores. Yes, 3,000 crores. In US dollars, it's roughly 40 to 45 million dollars, and in euro, it's 35 to 40 million euros. Such a big cost. Yeah, right. It took almost 5 years to complete. The construction started in 2013 and completed in 2018. It was built by 250 engineers and 3,400 laborers. It was built using 70,000 tons of cement, 18,500 tons of steel bars, 6,000 tons of structural steel and 1,700 tons of bronze. It is twice the size of Statue of Liberty and 40% taller than Spring Temple Buddha. It is designed by Padma Bhushan winning sculptor Ram V. Sutar, who has designed over 50 monuments. Height of the statue was fixed as 182 meters to match the total Democratic Assembly constituencies in the state of Gujarat. The base of the statue is constructed with over 129 tons of scrap iron, which is donated by nearly 100 million farmers from across India. The Statue of Unity stands on Sadhu Island on Narmada, 3.2 km downstream of Sardar Sarovar Dam, the second largest concrete gravity dam by volume in the world. 2.5 km from Sardar Patel statue is the 17 km long Valley of Flowers with multiple viewpoints of the Sardar Sarovar Dam, roughly 3.5 km away from the statue. Not to miss is the drive to the Narmada main canal gate, 10 km away from the Statue of Unity. There are also multiple temples located within a 10 km radius of the statue and Zarwani waterfalls located 14 km away. The Narmada is the fifth longest river in India, running in a rift valley between the Vindhya and the Satpura ranges. It has the longest canal network in the world, bringing fresh water to 460 kilometers across of the state of Gujarat and 74 kilometers into the state of Rajasthan. There is a viewing gallery in the Statue of Unity, which is 33 floors above, and the lift reaches there in just a minute or so. The view is really great. The best time to visit the Statue of Unity is in the evening. There is a light show which you can watch. I think you should visit the statue once in a lifetime to see the creativity of the people that have built it. It's really good. Thank you for watching and share it with your friends to pass on the information of our great Statue of Unity in India.